Yeah? Stays like it done, you know?
Yo, Ranel. What? I'm coming right time.
Yeah, I need that.
I'm there, man. I cook.
Yeah, you know, we just cook some food, dog, but I leave a whole heap of food, dog. A little bit of food we kick out.
You can't get some.
Why? You know it. I don't think you can stretch, you know, dog.
That you really tell me.
I see you, dog. I don't think you can stretch. You everybody know you're going to go forward. I swear more and cook more food. I make it get. I swear, dog. You never know you're going to go forward. I choose me, I go somewhere morning too. I'm going to left back some for my breakfast. It's in boss, so.
John, alright, bro. Now watch your face.
Alright, me a forward. You see me a forward feet. Yeah, man. Yo, Bellias, what on there?
Yes, sir, dog.
Yo, Bellias, I want you to do something for me. Look, collect it more just. I want you to look for the pot for me. So far. 2 minutes.
Yeah. Look pampat. You can't tell me Bellias to look pampat. We shall everything watch. I'm come hungry and I think I'm about to watch pot. Boy, food smell good, man. Put on flour. Right here. Boy, Bellias.
Pula assim na casa.
I wonder if the boy Bellias that have school. Where boy Bellias, man? Oh, man! Bellias gone with my pot of food. I joke this. You know the boy Bellias can't go too far. No, sir. He can't go too far. Boy, baby.
Oh, wow.
Homeless. Hey boy Bellias, wait till my whole here.